Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Rainbowart. You are watching Rainbowart. Today we are going to learn how we can make a 3D geometric origami. You can just see this is very beautiful, and in any section there are five unit. You can make it. Just follow my tutorial. Please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Let's see how you can make it. Take a rectangular paper of 6 centimeter versus 12 centimeter. Then just fold like this. Done. Unfold it. Then fold like this. Done. Go to the opposite side and do the same thing. Done. Okay, now take this part and fold just like this and rotate it and do the same thing here. Okay, done. Now take this part and fold just like this. And rotate it. Do the same thing here. Okay, done. Unfold it and put this portion into this. Just like this, and we have to fold here. Yes, done. Go to the opposite side and do the same. Just unfold this portion and you have to put just like this and then fold it. Okay, done. Now you have to fold along this line just like this. Done. Then fold along this side go to the opposite side and fold along this side. Done. And this is 1 unit. You have to make total 30 unit. You can take one single color or you can take 2 or 3 different color. You have to make total 30 unit. Okay, and I'm just going to assemble total 30 units. Just see how we can assemble them. Okay, this is 2 unit, just like same. And first take this portion and we have to put in this pocket, just like this. Okay, done. Yes, take another one. Okay, and put here. Done. Another one you have to put here. Sorry, this portion. Make sure that this portion will be going to the downside, just like this. 1 2 3 4. You have to take another one, 5. Yes, done. Now you have to put this one into this side, just like this. Okay, just done. Let's see what happened. Okay, now we have to take another color. Let's take this one and put in this pocket and do the same here. You have to make here a pentagon and completing total 5 unit. Then I add total 5 unit of opposite color, I mean green color, 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. And then you have to put another color, 2 and here it will be added 2 and here will be 2 and then 2. Okay, just assemble total blue colors. Done. Another one. Okay, done. Then you have to put this one here. Okay, just done. And you have to make same. Sorry, yes, just put it here. Okay, now you have to put total acha. Okay, you have to put total 10 unit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 9 and 10. Now okay, just do it. Please share to your friends and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for your love. Stay blessed. Keep supporting me. Thank you.